What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Minecraft launcher is not launching, or it is completely stuck on the launching screen, or if you're having the trouble with stuck on signing the screen, or if you're having the stuck on loading screen while you're trying to launch the Minecraft. If you're having these trouble, then follow these instructions in the video which is going to help you guys out. So let me directly get into step one by one. So the first one is all about if you're having the trouble with this one, the first and foremost step that you need to try is we need to do a restart on your system. And this is what you have to do as the first and foremost step. So just do a normal restart. So just go over here in the start icon. Now from here, go to the restart. Once the restart is done, you have to check. So still if you're having the trouble, we need to move to the next step. That is all about we need to run the gaming service repair tool on your Xbox. So to do this, we just need to go over here on the profile icon at the top left, click on this one. There is an option called support, click on this one. And right now from here, what we need to do is just click on the gaming service repair tool, click on this one and go for start repairing and go for yes. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So what happens is it will be cross-checking every single things like the system diagnosis, game bar, Xbox identity provider, Xbox Live in-game experience, Xbox Live Auth Manager, and also gaming runtime services, and everything will be cross-checked and just close it, and you have to check with the Minecraft. So if that is not working, for example, if that is not working, or if you're having the trouble with this particular one, that if you don't have the Minecraft, the running gaming service repair tool, or if you don't have the game on the Xbox, then you can just go over here to this particular link at the description. So I'll be providing this in the description. So from here, if you go to downloadable version, so this is actually for the gaming service repair tool for PC. If you scroll down, you can see if you scroll down, that is downloadable version. And if you scroll down, you can see this is download the gaming service repair tool for your PC. Click on this one. And once it's successfully downloaded, you just need to run it. That means you just need to run it on your system. Just go over here and you have to run it. Now, once you run it, you just need to wait, nothing to do, just wait for this one. It is going to take, this might take several minutes. So just wait for it. And afterwards, we have to check. So let me keep this in the while. So once after it will be done, you have to check. Next one is all about what we need to do. So we just need to create a desktop shortcut. Or before that, we need to verify and repair the Minecraft launcher. So to do this, just go over here in the Xbox. Now from here, click on the three-dot menu and from here, click on the manage. Now there is an option called click on the files, and we have option called verify and repair. Click on this one, just go for yes. So this would be verifying the Minecraft launcher. If it is going through by default any kind of issues and errors, it will be fixed from its end. So we just need to take a little bit of time. So as you can see, the repair is 100% view progress, which means there is no issue with anything. And once it's successfully done, you can just click on the play button and you have to check. Next one is all about we need to create a desktop shortcut and launch the Minecraft launcher as an administrator using the desktop shortcut. So just go over here in the Xbox app, click on the three-dot menu, and now click on the manage. Now there is an option called create a desktop shortcut. Just click on this one. So what happens is, as you can see, if you check on the desktop, you can see there is a shortcut is created. Right click on this one, go to show more options, go to the properties, go to you can right click and directly go for an as administrator from here, and you have to check. That's what you have to try, and that even working for many users as well. Next one is all about what we need to do is you just need to delete the Microsoft Store local caches. So the first one, you just need to follow the instructions over here, or you can copy this particular path. Let me copy this. Okay. Now go over here on your file explorer, go to this PC, remove this, and you just need to paste this particular path and you have to check. So if you check it, it might take you to this. If that is not the case, we just need to follow these instructions. First, get into this PC and go to users. Now from here, you have to get into admin. Now from here, what we need to do is you just need to check what it says. You have to get a username and go for AppData. So if you're finding anything named AppData, you have to get into this. Then we need to get into local and packages. Now from here, get into local. Now scroll down and navigate to packages. We have to get into the packages, and we have a lot of packages over here. From this, we need to find Microsoft.Windows Store 8W key. Just find Microsoft Windows Store 8W key. Just keep scrolling down you'll be able to find the Microsoft Store W8 key. You have to get into this and you just need to delete it. So just select this one, that is Microsoft, get into this, and you have to get into the folder over here. That is, you just need to delete this. Just keep in mind to delete it, and afterwards you have to check. So still, if you're having the trouble, we need to move to the next one. That is all about, we need to run this particular command in the PowerShell. So copy this command. So just go over here, search for Windows PowerShell. You have to search here like this. Click on run as administrator and go for yes. Now we need to paste it. Just paste it. So, and press enter. So what happens is it is going to take a lot of time. So it is going to do it one by one. So it is actually kind of a section we are going to give it for the PowerShell. So it's going to take a little bit of time. So once everything is successfully done, we just need to check with the game by trying launching the Minecraft launcher. If you're having the trouble, we need to move to the next step. So in the meantime, it is going to take a lot of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip this, let this process get completed in the background. Next one, we need to download the Microsoft launcher from the legacy version. So you can try this out. You can just get into the legacy version. So you can just go over here. So this is actually the link for the legacy version. You can download the Minecraft from here and you can sign it and you can launch it and you can check. Even for some users, I found this from the Reddit and even from the from any one of the YouTube channel itself, even it working for many users. You can try this all as well. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to go to the next step. That is all about we need to give these commands in the launch option in the CMD. So just go over here, copy this. That is ipconfig flushdns. So please search for CMD and you have to run it as an administrator and we have to go over here and go for yes. Now from here, paste this and press enter. Next one, we need to copy ipconfig release. So copy this and we have to paste it and press enter. Next one, we need to go over here and go to ipconfig and we need to go for renew and you have to paste it over here and press enter. Once all these things are done, we just need to close this and we have to check. So still, if you're in the trouble in the meantime, make sure the PowerShell is completely done. Just close this and try launch the game. And also we have to proceed further. That is, we need to try ipconfig renew also. So don't forget to run ipconfig renew. So just go over here for the CMD run as administrator, go for yes. Try this one and press enter. Once it is done, just move to the next step. Next step is all about, I'm not recommending you have to try this particular step. You can skip this step, that is not needed. Next one, we need to restart a PC and try again. So you might be in the PC already trying all these steps. You can just go over here, click on the three dot menu and click over here and do a restart. Once after the restart, try launch the game and you have to check. That even worked for many users, so you can try this out. Next one, we need to reset the Minecraft launcher from the Xbox app and the store. So just go over here, search for Xbox app and you have to click on right click and if you find app settings, just get into this one. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to repair and reset. So it is going to take a little bit of time for the Xbox. Similarly, search for the Microsoft Store and just click over here, right click and go to the app setting. Now from here, that is going to take you to this. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to repair and reset. Both can be done from here. Once afterwards, you have to check. So still, if you're having the trouble, we need to run the WS reset command. So just go over here, search for the run command and just press enter. Type WS reset over here and you have to press enter. So once it's done, the Microsoft Store will be opened. And once the Microsoft Store is open, you have to close this and check. So still, if you're having the trouble, we need to move to the next one. But close the Microsoft Minecraft launcher. Open the Minecraft Store in the background and log out and log it with the same account on the Microsoft Store. And now open the Minecraft launcher. So just first, if you're in the Minecraft launcher, you have to close it. Now just go over here on the Microsoft Store and you have to click on the Microsoft Store. Now from here in the Microsoft Store, what it says is make sure that you open in the background and log out and log in with the same account on the Microsoft Store. So if the Microsoft Store should be kept in the background, and make sure one thing, you have to log out if you're already logged in and also sign in back. Now once afterwards, launch the Minecraft and log it with the same credential and you have to check. Make sure for the Minecraft, you have to check with the date, time and time zone and make sure the region is correct. So just go over here, search for the settings and you have to click on this one. And this time we need to navigate to over here for the time and language, go to date and time. Make sure the time zone automatically should be turned on and time automatically should be turned on, and also all these things should be turned on. Make sure all these things are turned on. And also, if you scroll down, go to the language and region, make sure that you selected the country according to your geography. For example, if you're not from India, you have to select India. If you're from any other country, you have to select the country according to geography and you have to check. Next one, make sure the gaming services and Xbox identity provider is completely installed. So if you don't have the Xbox identity provider, so I'll be providing a link in the description that's going to take you to this. Just go over here and download this, or you can view it from the Microsoft Store. So just go over here on the Microsoft Store, paste it over here, and you have to get the Xbox identity provider. It's an important one. So just get the Xbox identity provider. If it's already installed, you're fine with it. And afterwards, you have to check. So still, if you're having the trouble with this one Xbox identity provider, then we need to uninstall the gaming service. So just go over here, copy this particular command. So this time we need to go once again to the PowerShell. Just search here for the PowerShell and you have to click on this one and just press this particular command and press enter. And once it is done, we just need to move to the next one. We need to reinstall it back. So just go over here, copy this particular command from here, and you have to go to the PowerShell, sorry, not the store, just go to the PowerShell, paste it and press enter. And that is going to take you to this one, and this time you have to install the gaming service. Once it is installed, you have to open it and you have to check whether the issue is solved. Next one, we need to delete the XBL login credential. So what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the web credentials. You have to search here for the web credentials and click on this one. And from here, just get into the Windows credentials. And if you find the XBL GRTS device key, just go over here, expand this and make sure that you remove it. And afterwards, you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, you can try these steps, which even work it. That is starting all these services. The first one, it is IP helper. So just search for the services and click on this one. And this time, what we need to do is we just need to move to the steps one by one. So the first one, you have to go over here, search for the IP helper and right click on this one, go to the properties. Make sure if this is automatic and also make sure the service status is running. So just go for OK and you have to check. Next one is all about what we need to do. Just go for Xbox Live Auth Manager, copy this and you have to go over here, scroll down and navigate to Xbox Live Auth Manager. Right click over here, go to the properties. Make sure this is automatic. And if you stop it, you have to run it and go for apply and go for OK. And also you can just go for restart as well. Once it is restart, you have to check. Make sure that is Xbox Live Game Save. Right click, go to the properties. Make sure if it is manual, change it to automatic. As you can see, the service status is stopped, so we have to start, which means we have to run it and go for apply and go for OK. Next one, the Xbox Live Network Service. Right click, go to the properties. Make sure it is automatic. The service status is running and go for OK and you have to check. Afterwards, we have to try few more step, that is Windows Update and Gaming Service. So if you find anything named over here on Windows Update, for example, you might be able to find the Windows Update. Right click, go to the properties. Make sure it is automatic and it is running and go for OK. And also if you find anything named Gaming Services over here. So if you find anything named Gaming Services, so right click over here and you have to right click and go to the properties. Now from here, make sure it is automatic and it is running and go for OK and you have to check. Next one, even after trying with the stay, if you're having the trouble, we need to uninstall the Minecraft launcher and you have to restart a PC and you have to reinstall a Minecraft launcher. So just go over here, if you're in the Xbox, just select this one and you have option to uninstall. Then just do a restart on a system, then go back to the Xbox. Then this time we have to install it back and try to continue playing the game and you have to check. See if you're having the trouble, we need to uninstall the Minecraft launcher, restart a computer. Download the Minecraft launcher from the Microsoft website and also try for Windows 7 or 8 versions. So that is also provided. So if you go over here, if you can scroll down, you can get the Minecraft for the Windows that version, so you can get it and you can download and install it, and also you can check. And the parallelly, I would like to give you one more thing. That is all about we need to run this particular command. That is very important. So this time we have to copy this and just go over here, search for Windows PowerShell. Just go over here, make sure you run it as an administrator and go for yes. paste the command and you have to press enter. So this is going to take a lot of time. So this is actually an important step. So this particular step for running this particular command did even work it for many users. The only the thing in this particular thing is it is going to take a little bit of time. So make sure that it is going to take time and you have to try this. Make sure if you scroll down, you will have to update the Microsoft Store. You have to check whether you're going through any kind of pending updates and all this things. Just search for the store, go over here. In the store, once you get into this, you can go over here in the library. And once you go for the library, or you can just make sure if anything is pending. I mean, if any kind of things are pending over here, it's over update, just check for update. If anything is pending, just update it. That's an important one. We have to check. Last and the least step, we need to update the Windows tool using the media creation tool. So I have already provided in this description, so you can get it to this. Now, if you're on the Windows 10, use this. And if you're on the Windows 11, you can use this. So right now I'm on the Windows 11. So you have to download this Windows 11 installation media. So download this and install it. So these are the steps. Parallelly, make sure this particular step is completely done. And once it is completely done, it is going to take a bit of time. So I'm going to skip this. Once afterwards, done with all these steps, you can just go back to the Xbox and you have to check. So Steve, if you're having the trouble, you just need to let me know in the comment sections. Parallelly, by trying these steps, they should be completely fixed most probably. So if you're having the trouble, let me know. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye-bye.